Hey everybody, Keith here, and I found a really cool Fox body drifting around. What's your name, man?
Rob McCarter.
Good to meet you.
Good to meet you, man.
We're out here at Holley Ford Festival. Tell me a little bit about this thing.
Well, it's a 1991 Ford Mustang Fox body. It's a Notchback. It's got a 76mm turbo on it. It's actually blow-through carbureted. I think I'm the only carbureted drift car out here. I built it all myself. Scat forged rods on the bottom end, ARP studs, trick flow twisted wedge 170 heads, F303 cam, Edelbrock intake, MSD ignition, full 6AL2 box, all tuned and done by me and myself and I. You'll see it's got a fully polished TIG welded roll cage. This was done by Corey Misko. He used to live in Michigan. Now he works for Chelsea DeNofa. It's pretty basic. I'm actually running a T5 transmission out of this. ASD hydro. I'm still on drum brakes, you can see in the back. So anybody that tells you need disc brakes, like no, drums work just fine. Honestly, right now, all I want to do is go out there and shred with my homies.
Yep.
Like, grassroots is where you can have the most fun and shred the most tires. You know, with drifting and sliding around, carburetors are great if you're doing straight line racing. But I've got a Holley Super Sniper that's going in this winter because I've got a tuning kit that I carry with me everywhere I go, and I get tired of tuning. I'd rather be able to just plug my laptop in and go. So that's why I picked up this Holley Super Sniper that's going to go in it.
That's awesome. Well, if anybody wants to know more about this car or, you know, really what you do, where can they find you?
So you can find me on Instagram and Facebook. My name's Rob Derek McCarter. On Instagram, I'm Secret Asian Man. You can also find me on Duck Squad Official. It's where I go and drift with all my homies.
Well, thanks for coming out. We hope you have a good time.
Yeah, man.